Hey everyone, Surrounding here with Breaking the Main Game Development. And I'm here for Devlog number 3. So, as you can see, it's a lot different from how it was last month. That's because the last menu screen was in an old version of Unreal, and the scene that it was in needed some updating. So, that is going to happen. I just figured I'd update the fonts and image and UI. So this button is what's going to be moved throughout the rest of the project as one of 2 possible buttons, and the other one I'm still working out what I want to do with it. So once those are done, then I can move on to figuring out how I want to get everything set up. But right now I'm just focusing on functionality. So if we press any key here to go into the main menu. Currently only 3 of these work, but they are all getting fleshed out. So if we hit the quit button, we get this leaving so soon pop up, and we can say yes or no. Yes will exit the program right away, no just brings us back to here. Then if we go to settings, we have our graphic settings working perfectly. So you can see that we have this graphical quality, which changes everything but VSync. If we select another option, then it will just set this to custom. And we can change VSync all on our own. And then we can apply. We can reset the default, which right now is just high, but I can just set the defaults to whatever I think is reasonable. And then if I hit back or any of these buttons, it just brings up, do you want to apply the new settings? And we say yes. And then we are back to the main menu. And then I'll hit new game. And this loads up the level that I've created. And as you can see, it's mostly the same as last month. We do have the Death Flame and Necromantic Flame here. And I will be making a lore video on those shortly. We also have the duplicate model in engine, and it just needs some tweaking, but everything needs tweaking when you move it from Blender to Unreal basically, so nothing they can't achieve in engine. And then finally, this was here last time, but I didn't bring it up. It's the Saber model. When I run through the item pickup, it attaches to the player right now. It will be going through an inventory system eventually, but right now, this works. And yeah, that's all for this month. I also made a microphone, which is really good for my portfolio, and also taught me some new Blender techniques that I will be using in game assets going forward. The microphone itself doesn't make sense to be a game asset, but the techniques I've learned will carry through. And yeah, that's it for this month. Take care and have a good one.